How to check if your Facebook page is eligible for monetization. On your Creator Studio home, log in using your Facebook account.
Once you log in, you need to go to Monetization tab. Alright, so on my sample page, I am not eligible for monetization. I still need 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers, this is only applicable for brand collaboration. Let's say for the sponsors. For you to enable the in-streams ads or the ad breaks, you need to have 10,000 followers, 30,000 1-minute views for 3 minutes.
This is what I'm talking about. You need at least 1,000 followers for you to be eligible for brand collaborations. For fan subscriptions, it's currently invite only. So now you know how to check if your Facebook page is eligible for monetization.